Welcome back to the channel, everyone. This is part 5 of our Laravel virtual wallet package development series. In the previous video, we implemented credit functionality in our Laravel package. So, in today's video, we will implement proper deposit features and improve our transaction system also. And if this video will not be lengthy, so we will also do like we forget to add the like wallet to wallet. Like if you guys want to transfer any balance, like internal transfer internally, like you have to wallet man wallet or something else. So if you guys want to transfer between them internally, so like we are also going to build that function or implement that function in it. uh so let me switch and let we start. Okay, here we go. So this is our contract basically, and like we have pay and deposit. So last time we just work with the pay, and this is our pay rate, and we have all done. Okay. hmm. Yeah, we have all done, everything is completed here. So now it's turn for deposit, and after deposit we will do for like for internal transfer, like wallet to wallet transfer. So like let me create a new trade here. So this will be like deposit na deposit trade, deposit trade dot php. So basically, okay, namespace, hex niraj. Okay, payment data we need it, and this is a trade, and we have the deposit method. Okay, so let me check it first of all with the contract. So we have a deposit method, and this argument payment data. Okay. We have defined this parameter here. Okay, string deposit na. Okay, so now what we are going to do here, we are going to handle the deposit thing here. So like, and one more thing guys, we just to do like this is invalid wallet exception, and yeah, this is also invalid wallet exception, and this is, has sufficient balance. So if we want to we want to make this package like scalable, so like I'm using a single exception class here, invalid wallet exception. So like I should create like different separate classes for, like if I have sufficient balance, so I have a different class for that, and I should have. Okay, and if I have something else, like something else like sufficient balance. Okay, and this is like something went wrong exception no? So this is like for that. So like let me build there's all exception first of all. So like it is better to keep them separate if we want, like it is a good practice. So here what I'm going to do, let me copy and paste this class first of all, and in sufficient balance I should keep that name SUFFICINT BALANS, sorry, balance exception. I should copy this name Then I have this insufficient balance now. Okay, I should match this with the message insufficient balance. Insufficient balance. Okay, and that is okay. Hmm. So go to the pay rate, and I have this exception. Ah, so like here this message and no extra things here. So basically, like this will return 40 status 402 by default, and okay, new throw new has insufficient balance. Okay, okay, and one more like for this thing now. One more invalid. Mm, something went wrong, or like normal exception I should keep. What's right? Uh, okay, let me copy this first of all, and like we have in the message I have no, I don't have payment failed, please check your wallet balance and try again. Okay, but in the pay rate what I'm using here, payment failed message. No, it will be something went wrong, some kind of like that I want to keep. So basically, like internal server exception, something like that. I want to this class name should be internal server exception, something like that. And by default, this will be 500 error and internal server error. And we are going with this key here. So basically, like an unexpected error occur while processing your request. Please try again later. Okay. So now here we are here, and this thing. Okay, I should paste it here, and I should remove those all things from here, and that is good. Okay, okay. So now what to do? So basically now we have separate classes for the exception. So like it will be scalable in the future, not dependent on a single class. Insufficient balance and invalid wallet. Okay, now ooh, deposit rate now. So has virtual wallet, and this is not credit rate, this is paid rate. And here we are using only the paid rate, and deposit rate same here, deposit rate. And inside the deposit rate, what we should do. So let me match it with the our contract mean interface. So here is our interface. So basically public function deposit payment data as a argument here, and void function mean it will not return anything here. Void payment data. Okay, that is all what we need. So first of all, like same in the same way, we have to validate our wallet. So like I'm going to copy and paste this thing again. So basically like we are also going to do this thing. So like I'm going to implement this thing: invalid wallet exception and insufficient balance, something like that. In deposit case we don't need this. So this exception we need, and I think internal server error, something like that we need. So now what I'm going to do here, I'm going to do what. Okay, I'm going to accept the db commit. Nah. Hmm, shit, shit. Yeah, okay, now it's okay. But there is any error right now. Error. Resolve wallet enum. Okay, so basically what I need, if not blank, but we are depositing the the money into a wallet, so this is necessary in the deposit case. So we should do that thing first of all here. So validating wallet type. Okay, and if not blank, if blank payment data wallet type and not in array, so then it will throw an error here, like throw an error, invalid wallet exception. This is our wallet, and if did not find the wallet, invalid wallet exception. Hmm. Okay, now that is good. So and look for update, we will do the same thing basically. So like here we will do the same thing. Mm, wallet, we have a wallet, and record transactions now. Create owner type, owner id, text amount, description, wallet type, currency type, and transaction method, transaction type. Does all the things. No, not this thing. No, this thing. Payment data, transaction type, wallet balance, increment, and dv. Okay, okay, that is great for now. So we have done with the deposit rate. Now it's turn for the internal transfer, so I'm going to make a internal transfer trade. So this will be like internal transfer trade dot php, and here we go with this file. I have and trade internal transfer. Okay, so basically what I'm going to do now, I have to add like db facade here, db facade, and like wallet to wallet transfer now. So like those two things I need. So basically here, first of all, what we are going to do, our payment data for the internal transfer. What we should do, what we should do, what we should do for the internal transfer. Because like in case of internal transfer, uh, we have owner and wallet type. This is for a single. So for the internal transfer, what like I have to modify this payment data basically. Hmm. So what should I do for the internal transfer? Like I have two wallet, one this and one this. I have to transfer the money from this to this, from this to this. So basically in this condition I have to ensure two transaction record or single transaction record. Transaction, like this wallet credit from this wallet, and this wallet debit, like one transaction for the debit because the amount was debited from one wallet, and the amount was credited to the second wallet. So I need two transaction for that, and two transaction for that. So basically this will help me. So what I'm going to do here now, uh, within the contract, internet transfer and payment data, like wallet 1 payment data, something like that, and wallet 2 payment data. Okay guys, but like uh, according to me I should make a separate payment, separate data object for the internal transfer, because it will carry two wallet now. Yes, two wallet. But mm, 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 mm. Okay, that is fine. This thing is fine. So internal transfer, and wallet 1, wallet 2, like that. This P wallet data. No, 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 no. Yes, 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 yes. Yeah. Do you know, guys, why I'm just going with two different like why I'm accepting two argument here? Because of like I have two wallet, like one is for pay. So like it is carrying all the information like the transaction type and method, these all things na. So it is carrying the separately for the transaction type, like we can keep separate transaction, like it is for credit or it is for debit. So if we keep the single payment data here, so like it will like there will be a problem to handle this all the things. So that like for the for the wallet one, like this is for like we are going to debit the amount from, and this is where we are going to deposit the amount to the wallet, like from this wallet to this wallet. So basically this is the from wallet and this is to wallet. So like you can say this is from wallet and this is to wallet. So that is why I have to keep two data object here, uh, because the values will be separate, like this is for the credit, this is for the debit, like this is for the debit and this is for the credit. So this is the idea behind it. So now this will debit the transaction, but like if I use the pay and something went wrong with the pay, so like, and this will deposit here. Okay. What should I do now? What should I do now? Should I keep the logic separate? Okay, payment data and stop credit. Not like that. Step two, deposit. Why am assuming like that? Why assuming? So like we have only two step, like debit from the sender and credit to the receiver. This is the receiver and this is the sender. So I keep like sender wallet data and receiver wallet data. So we have now like, okay, got it. And this is internal exception if some error there, and we done. Okay, so it has separate description, separate description for this. We have separate description, separate payment or transaction type and methods, everything separate, everything separate here. So that is good. We have done with the internal also, internal transfer also. So here we are going to internal transfer trait. We are going to add this trait here again. I'm going to use that here again. Now it's done for transfer, na transfer. So here we go with the transfer, sorry, transaction, transactions trait, transaction trait.php, namespace, and trait, not internal. This is for transactions trait. And here we have two two functions, like for this transactions, and here is wallet type. Here we have wallet type, and this is the paginated. Okay, paginated transactions. So what should I do now? mm, like for the filters, what can I do? For the filters, should I make a data object for the filter here also? What should I do here? Like for the transactions, uh, like we have filter, like from date to date, transaction method, transaction type, and the wallet type, currency type, like this kind of methods. So like it will filter everything internally. So I think I should make the data object for this also. So like this is payment data, and I'm going to make a filter transaction data. Tran transaction filter data dot php, and the namespace x nearest not rate. This is data objects, and here we go with the class transaction filter data. So like we have wallet type, data is an array, wallet type, transaction type, method consisters, and these all things. But like mm, we will do, we will keep this function in it also. So like we have this thing, set data, and written this, 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 and this. So basically like this is this. What's going wrong in it? If key equal to this is okay, we have like multiple curly braces here. So now this could set data, return this, and if we want to uh, these all things separately, so like owner type, owner id, tax id, amount, description. So like basic wallet type, currency, transaction method, and the status and the hidden thing na. These all thing for ah, but like we can also like this payment like we can use separate, this is the good thing, we can use separate. But like we can also use this same payment data class for the filter things. Okay, so into the contract we go with this contract. So we have this thing here, and for the transactions like filtered data, this thing more many. So like this is the transactions, and here we go with the transaction straight. Okay, sorry guys, sorry. We have filtered data. inside the contract, what I'm going to do here, like this thing will be not like this thing, this like this method will accept this argument, like this is optional actually. Basically what I'm going to here, so same thing here, like this is the optional thing, and not like that. So this has many config. Config, no. We go to the wallet rate, like this morph menu. Mm. Same thing we are going to use here, morph menu, because this is morph menu, contract morph menu now. Here we go with the morph menu and contract, just two things. Morph menu, config Laravel virtual models transaction owner ID, this get key name, owner type get morph class. Okay guys, so like I have done this transaction method, so this video is becoming very lengthy. So like in the next video we will like uh, fully do the transaction and paginated transaction, and after this video, like we have done with the all core logic for this package, and then like we will make the test cases for the next video, in the next video, and and after the test cases only I will prepare the documentation, and I will tell you how can we publish our package to the packages, and on the GitHub and everywhere. So here we go, and guys, please subscribe my channel. Basically like you guys are not subscribing, like I have only 174 and the target only 250 subscribers, but I don't know why. So please guys subscribe my channel, and you can suggest me what can I improve, like in this package, or in this series, or the way I am just telling you what can I improve in it. So you guys can suggest me like whatever you want. So like if this will be helpful, so then I will accept, and I will improve, I will accept, and I will try to improve in it. Okay guys, bye.